Mr. Speaker.
Since 2023 to 2025, the department has facilitated about 40,000 school children and beyond for educational visits in Parliament. But whenever they come, we realize that it was not resonating enough. You visit the chamber, you sit in the public gallery, you observe what is going on in the chamber. Then beyond, you interact with the members of Parliament, and you take the leave of us. Without actually connecting with what happens, probably you would have seen the facility, but that was not enough. So we began to explore ways by which we could actually get children to better understand what happens and practicalize what they see in Parliament.
Honorable members, there is a statement which stands in the name of the Honorable Member of Parliament for ACEPA himself. Honorable Member, you have the floor.
Mr. Speaker, I am happy to make a statement at this mini Parliament of Ghana on why young people must use digital technology responsibly. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I now invite you to comment on the statement made by the Honorable Member of Parliament for ACEPA South, MP for Tano South.
Mr. Speaker, I am however surprised that the Honorable Member is calling on the government to introduce a law to regulate students' use of technology. In my humble opinion, parents know their children better and can decide what is good or bad for them.
I agree that a responsible use of technology could have, and I repeat, could have a negative impact on the mental health of students.
Mr. Speaker, my colleagues on the other side are turning this issue into a debate. On one end, they support the statement. But surprisingly, Mr. Speaker, they do not support the call for a law on the responsible use of technology in our educational system.
Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleague who spoke before me said those of us in the minority are turning this into a debate. Mr. Speaker, that is rather unfortunate. I will call on my colleagues in government to be tolerant of divergent views.
This has never happened in the history of our democracy. Many adults think that leadership begins when you become older. That is not the case. We believe that accountability means leaders must listen to the people they serve, and that includes children represented here and all the children of our country.
Almost all the countries in the world have signed the Convention of Children's Rights, which is the most ratified convention in the world. You here should be proud because Ghana was the first country to ratify that convention.
This was an initiative, and this is what we call the co-creation concept. Now governance is moving to opening up governance. We want to be part of what concerns us, what decisions are taken about us. All those decisions, we want to be part of them.
When you come to Parliament, you are not coming to crack stones. You are coming to Jojo. And in Jojo, one of the things you do, you argue forcefully. In arguing forcefully, use appropriate language, make sure you are making your point.
The theme for today is digital technology, responsible use of it. To balance responsible use of digital technology with productivity, protection of personal privacy, respect for others, and mental well-being.
In fact, you've impressed all of us. You have made us to know that really Ghana has a future. We have future leaders. So I am proud to be here. And for those who have nurtured you for this maiden program, in fact, say yeah to them for me. Yeah.
Listen to understand, challenge ideas, but remember to respect everyone.
As young people, we come across a lot of inappropriate content on the internet that is not suitable for our age. As much as we come across these contents, most of the times we actually also want to do what we are seeing of these content. And so as young people here, as you are using the internet for various ways, you have to be mindful of some of the things you come across, and just bearing in mind that you do not have to do the things you see on the internet.
We are proud to work with UNICEF and the Public Engagement Department of our Parliament. We are hoping that going into the future, this chamber will be truly representative of the demographics of our country.